Man, this was a good day.
Today was such a good day.
Απάνω ξέρεις τι γίνεται.
Good morning, everyone. We had a little bit of a allergic reaction. Oh, yeah, I got some. Tell them what happened. So I got this bar. So good. Protein bar, little chocolate coconut. It's a pop 2 Benadryl, so it's off to a great start. Yeah, good thing you didn't try it, dude, because I think you would. I almost too. Yeah. Anyways, we're going right now from Athens to Santorini. So excited. The plane ride's only like an hour. Yeah, it's gonna be really quick. How was the flight for you, Brody?
I enjoyed it. I was looking at all the little islands. The landing was spectacular.
Rick, you had some commentary about the landing.
It was for sure like ex-military.
Oh.
Landing strip, like straight dive bomb. Yeah, 100,000 feet or 10,000 feet down.
Santorini is stunning. Dropped off our stuff at our Airbnb. Now we're walking around. This is what you see everywhere. The Airbnb host told us this really good place to get some gyros, so that's first priority. And then we're gonna shop, obviously. We found the place that we're eating at. The way that I'm so excited right now. How you feeling?
Feeling great.
Feeling great?
Feeling groovy.
Jack, come in.
Yeah.
He's just a baby. Are you kidding me right now? Okay, we both got chicken gyros.
Something else. Yeah. It's so good.
Literally ginormous. I got lemon pie. Today, Tay and I will be trying a lemon pie and an apple pie.
Oh, wow. I so was late to that understanding. We were just there like, what the choice were now?
You often like eat it wild.
That lemon pie is really good.
I think we hated it. Absolutely. We're seeing the Airbnb for the first time.
This is crazy.
There's no way.
Some might say this is
What?
Wait, show this.
You know what? It's worth it.
This is crazy.
The water situation?
Wait, I'm coming.
Like, I don't understand how this is a Airbnb.
Is it cool?
It's nuts.
We got a little window.
Oh.
You can see all the tourists up there.
I think we should
Where all the tourists are.
House.
This one.
It's too separate.
Yeah,
Take this one.
yeah. I said
We
this is the
give
best
we
one.
give the other one to Rob.
Wait, cheese. Say cheese, guys. Oh my god.
So we're up in the loft right now. You can see Brody down there.
Wait. Ready?
You missed.
Alright, let me
Get in here.
Yeah, let's just stay in the house, guys.
We all.
Oh my god.
Brody.
So how many beds are there? So there's
1, 2, 3,
Definitely
4.
5.
There's 5.
Then
One
that
big one.
and two
Plus
back.
2 couches. Wait, vlogging is kind of fun.
My camera around all
Oh,
day.
the angles. Oh, Jack the kitchen good.
Yeah, we have to fight over that room right
I'll take
there.
Sunny.
I'll take that room. It's fine. It's whatever.
Yeah, if you guys don't want it,
Yeah,
I'll
pass on that.
This is one of the craziest bathrooms I've ever seen. We divided and conquered on the rooms. Amanda and I are gonna be sharing this bed, which is kind of like central to everything. Kate is taking the sunroom. Brennan and Tay have this little nook. This is gonna be the craziest 2 days. Okay, so here's the plan for today. We're gonna go to the beach, maybe get some drinks, some food. Some drinks. And then tomorrow we're doing fancy dinner. So we made sure to like pack really nice dresses. Yeah, I'm just so happy to be here. We're all doing 2 days in Santorini first. We flew from Athens this morning, and then we're all gonna go different ways. Some of us are gonna go to Mykonos. Some of us are gonna go back to Athens. I'm taking a flight back to Athens because I want to see the Acropolis and the Parthenon Museum, so that's what we're doing. And we ate amazing pies and cakes. I had a lemon pie, it was fab. But yeah, now we're all checked into our Airbnb and we're gonna have just a really good day. I'm excited.
Know what they say, time's got a good way of healing. I'm back on my feet and I'm happier than ever, like I never thought forever was you. My skies are blue, dancing down the weather, back together like I wasn't two.
Is this story time?
Yeah.
Well, here we are.
That's it. That's the update.
Cut.
I mean, just like no words needed. Look at this. Look at how many people at our front door.
Open the door!
Yeah.
What is it? The boys went to the store and bought some Greek chips and they bought these Oreos.
Why is it taking me forever to open them?
There's no.
I'm living life.
We're breaking into the Oreos.
Ooh.
They look like double stuff already.
Cheers!
Look.
That's a thickie.
She's thick.
Me, or do you taste a little bit of coffee?
A little bit of what?
Coffee.
Coffee?
It's not as sweet as an Oreo, which is kind of nice.
Other cookie, did you try it?
Pretty good though.
Oh, look.
I'll give that like a 7 out of 10.
I give it a 6, like an 8.5.
Hi guys, we're going to dinner right now. Everybody say hey.
Hello, hello, hello.
So our Airbnb is actually like a really touristy spot, so everybody's been taking pictures here. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. We got trapped. Our group has the attention span of a squirrel, so our plans to go to dinner have been derailed. Just a linen shop.
In this general direction, I presume, because Tay was going crazy.
I went and got 4 scoops of ice cream in a container.
Did you guys watch the sunrise or did I dream?
We watched the sunrise and we tried to wake you up.
I was out last night, but anyways, our friend Robin from Estonia is coming to Santorini today in literally 4 minutes, and so we're gonna go get him up there.
It's so pretty, dude.
I missed my first flight. I missed the check-in.
Good morning, happy day 2 from Santorini. As you guys saw, Robin joined us and we're walking around right now. Half of the group is gonna do a boat tour today and the other half is just chilling. Yeah, we're just hanging out. For breakfast, we're eating at the Hungry Donkey this morning. I'm starving, so I will eat anything at this point.
Sarcasm.
I got an iced cappuccino with almond milk. Very, very frothy at the top. I really like it. Okay. Gather here today in beautiful Santorini, and thank you for nourishing us. Yeah, I hope that we have a safe travel here and then to the next port. Amen. Frozen yogurt.
I wish I brought a Coke. So weird there's so many people like.
Yesterday, we were all like dancing and stuff, and they were all just munching. Jack, right there, is driving the boat, and we're gonna go swim over there. The whole video at this point should be sponsored by this brand. Okay.
She smiled at me when I came back this 3rd time.
This is my ranking. Tiramisu.
Whoa. Okay.
Now apple pie.
Well, Tiramisu's over there, so.
Lemon.
This is like 9 out
wait.
of 10.
Maybe I'll have a bite of it. Lemon pie, and then strawberry. Strawberry cheesecake.
7 and 1 person.
This is so number 1.
Dude, I like this. I like this one. How like
If you have good tasting food, but you can't tell what's best. If you insist.
What's my
Okay, these are definitely some of the top 3s though.
It goes 1, 2, lemon 3.
Lemon is pretty.
I like that cherry cake.
I did too.
I didn't even try that
I
one.
did like that one. That one 4.
You just named them in a row.
Dang.
There was no theme or theory. You're just like, I like that. That's good too. That's good too. That's good too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done.
I really like Brennan's, but it was like the.
Pistachio. It was pistachio.
Oh, okay.
Man, this was a good day.
Today was such a good day. Tonight's dinner fit. This dress, oh my gosh, I have worn this for like the past 3 years for different occasions. When I went to homecoming my senior year, I wore this. I've also worn it on like a date night. Yeah, we are late.
We're 10 minutes late for our restaurant reservation, but that's okay because
you need to hurry and change.
I don't think I'm gonna change. I think I'll just wear this because I think it looks good. Do you think I should? No, I don't like the turtleneck.
The black turtleneck is the best. We're going to this restaurant called Mia's.
Very pretty that you've been a part of. I finally got around. Pictures of
Tonight's drink,
Hey,
mojito. Will I get
cheers
Asian
again.
flush? Probably.
like an Asian.
They were there, Billy.
Cheers.
I don't want to do that. I'm gonna drink
It can't be too bright.
Okay, really good. And there's like texture to it.
What was the drink you got, Tech?
Round so.
Taste test.
I would actually buy
like
like bowl
a piece of this, and then we do the side as a second.
It tastes like an apple pie.
Whoa.
I don't know if it's good.
Just in like fried.
That's really good.
Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Is it today? Is today Tuesday? Tuesday. Ivan joined us, so we're all kind of splitting off and going our own ways today. Some of the guys are going to Mykonos, and then Brody, Kate, and I, and Rick, and Robin are going back to... to Athens.
My alarm woke full.
Oh my god, tell them.
My alarm was set for 6:30. I didn't hear it, but everyone else did.
We're all asleep, and insert alarm sound. Goes off for 7 minutes straight. Hi guys, today's day 3 in Greece. Fruit bowl right here. It's gonna be a full day of shopping, soaking in the last bit of Santorini, and we just got like the best view this morning. Like we're literally all sitting here eating. We're getting crepes, coffee, all the best things in life. She looks so good. Good morning, everyone. We are in Piraeus right now. Today we are doing the Acropolis. I've been looking forward to since the day that we got here. This is actually stunning. So the white pieces are the newer ones. You have to come here. It's one of the coolest things I've ever seen. I just found the cutest little cafe here. I'm gonna put the name of this place on the screen because I cannot pronounce it for my life. I got a book.
This is you about ethics and philosophy. I got like this sterling silver gold-plated necklace. I don't really wear gold, but I don't know.
I got the vegan pho. Let's see how this is. And Kylie got beef pho. So it's perfect.
There's a bunch of people dancing in a circle because we're going around the world like a circle.
I'll never actually be the person to get a tattoo, but I have been emotionally here in support for 3 of my friends on semester at sea, and I will continue to be that person for everybody else, but I can't bring myself to get one yet. They're not really my thing, but I do love watching my friends get them. So it's currently like 8 p.m. and we did a lot of shopping today. We ate lots of good food, and I did get some things, so I will show you guys a haul tomorrow because I'm pretty tired right now, and we're gonna go back to the ship and sleep there, but tomorrow's gonna be a good day, and today was just good vibes all around. Good morning, everyone. Happy last day in Greece. Robin and I are going on a little walk to go pick up a package from Hollister this morning. Got these new glasses from Poland Bear and I'm kind of obsessed with them. It's a little different than what I usually go for. Update, the shipping services did not have my package, so that is the reality of trying to do brand deals while being on a ship. Yeah, we literally leave tonight, so that package from Hollister is probably, it's not gonna happen anymore. Anyways, I got a cold brew with oat milk from this place called Coffee Berry here in Piraeus. And Robin has been lovely joining me. Love traveling with another person. Good morning! Good morning! We're going to this place called Meat and Roses. Apparently they have really good gyros, and our taxi driver recommended it yesterday. Yeah, it only makes sense that we're going.
It's been a long year, pour the glass out to the ones that ain't here.